This is a funny illustration that I imagined on how school is helping me climb the ladder of business. And here I'm just going to talk about some concepts that make sense to me. Because building on school, building a community, if you look behind the scenes and you understand what's happening, what you are doing, is really like building a business. School is helping you with a hand. So they are lending you a helping hand, and any efforts that you put into business is going to be multiplied because of school. So what do I mean? Let's talk about SEO. If you have a website, you need to do search engine optimization because there's free traffic. They search, I'm going to stay with my example, they search methods and I'm the number one result. Now, no way in school, no way in search, I'm going to be number one because there are huge businesses that are outranking me. There are some keywords where I can rank. For example, school meta ads. I think I'm going to be here. So yeah, my LinkedIn post is number two. My YouTube video is the first. I have a other YouTube video at the third place. My blog post from my website. So I can actually rank for these keywords already. But if I wanted to rank for meta ads, no way I'm on the first page right now. If you go to the videos, I'm actually on the first page, but Skool is helping you with the SEO. So let's go back to Skool. Let's look at my settings, go to Discovery, and Skool gives you the option to optimize for keywords. So if you add the keywords here, your group is going to rank for these search keywords. Now, there are more to SEO than just keywords, especially to Skool SEO. You need to have the keyword in your description and in your group name as well. And instead of branding my group, because it started at Wupscale marketing, because that's my brand, Wupscale, but I realized quickly nobody cares about Wupscale, my brand, but people care about meta ads, and they are going to search for meta ads. And I figured I don't care if they don't know my brand name. If they are here and I can help them, they are going to see the value. So it doesn't matter if I'm Wupscale, nobody's searching for Wupscale, but they are searching for meta. And for meta, I'm number two. For meta ad, I'm number two. And for meta ads, I'm number three. So I'm always in the top three, and Skool's giving me tons of traffic. So that's how you can learn about SEO. Since I have the marketing background, I already knew about SEO, but Skool is helping you multiply your efforts. Same with the traffic. If you have a business, you need to run ads and you need to get traffic to your site. Same with Skool. I'm redirecting all my YouTube traffic, my website traffic to Skool, and I'm also running ads to Skool. But Skool is also rewarding you for this. So the more traffic you get to your about page, the more traffic you get from Skool network. And here's the proof. If I go to dashboard, my website visitors or about page visitors, you see the numbers are quite stable, going up. And the more traffic I get to Skool, so I'm getting Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, my website, and direct traffic as well, and some other. Skool is giving me more and more traffic, and I actually have the chart on this. The more traffic I have, the more traffic Skool is giving me. So there's definitely something behind this, and this is how Skool is helping you. Now, once you have a business that ranks in search and it's getting traffic, a free trial is a good idea. So if you have a new business, you are offering a new service, you have no customers, and you have no social proof, it's great to give your service away for free in exchange for feedback or a testimonial. Now, Skool is helping you do the same with the free trial, because if you utilize free trial for the community, people can just join. If they like, they are going to stay, but there's no risk to join. There's no upfront payments, and my tracker is a huge proof to this. So here's when I added free trial, a nice red line. And after this, you see that my signups are blowing up. My conversion rate is going crazy. But I have an even better illustration for this. So when I added free trials was right here. These are my Skool signups. So right here, I added free trials. It was kind of a flat line. After the free trial, my signups are going crazy, crazy. Visitors are stable but going up, My MRR is also pretty much the same. So I added it around the 18th. I added trials here. 1 week passed when the first trials started to become paying customers, and then ever since my MRR is going up. Same with my conversion rate. I was averaging around 2% conversion rate, and since I added the free trial, the conversion rate on my about page is soon 6%, which is crazy. And if you think that okay, I have a 50% free trial conversion. So if I move this 2% to 4%, I'm basically making the same amount of money. But if I'm way above 4%, you are making a profit just because of the free trial. So Skool is helping you by this as well. Now, once you have leads, once you have free customers, you need to follow up with the leads and you need to activate those customers. So Skool is helping you do the same by having a welcome video, automating a welcome message, having a first of 3 steps to do inside your community. So these are all helping new members to engage. So if I view my community as a member, let me go to my classroom and then view as a member. This is what you see when you join. Welcome, start here. So here's an intro video that's actually mine. Find a post to like, leave a comment, download the app. So Skool is asking you to do all these steps and you don't need to worry about member activation basically. And I just have an automated message that goes out to all new members. Here I have the auto DM new members, and then it's just start here. I don't know. I could probably improve this, but it's fine. Now you need to be at proof if you have a business. If you don't have any reviews, you need to ask for reviews. Maybe your free customers are going to give you reviews, but it's really hard because we know that you can pay for reviews on Google, you can pay for reviews on Trustpilot, so it's not the best situation. For example, on Google, I have a couple reviews from real customers, but if Skool is rolling out the reviews on the About page, it's going to just be in the same place. You don't need to redirect them just for proof to your website, to your Google business, or to Trustpilot. It's all going to be here. So again, an amazing update. And the last step is something I need to test because everyone says, Hormozy, Sam, to make more, you need to raise your prices. So that's why I'm planning to raise my prices. Here's the structure that I figured I'm going to switch to from my current plans. And I'm going to report back in public and let you know if it was the best decision to raise my prices. Because so far, so adding free trials was definitely my best decision so far. I already tested it earlier. I figured I would give it another structured testing. That was the only change I made in July, and it blew up my Skool community in just 15 days. So maybe raising my price is going to be the other step. That's best decision I ever made. So yeah, we'll see how that works.